It's about 5:30 in the morning, and we're getting ready to go to the farmer's market. And I walk down here to get the meat birds feed and stuff ready. She's over there watering them right now. And I seen something that just totally cool looking in the mornings. Really beautiful. Well, this berries patch with the dew on it. It's so freaking cool. Look how beautiful that is. That clicking's the fence. We got a fence around our garden so the deer don't get in. But that right there, it's just beautiful. That's one good thing about this life. You see all the beauty that nature has to offer. That's just one of the many. Deer from all that beauty to that right there, all within the first 5 minutes of being awake in the mornings. Huh. Imagine that.